Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how I transform some ordinary, inexpensive items like battery case and PVC pipe into a powerful, homemade TV antenna that will bring your favorite shows back to life. You'll be amazed at the difference. Watch now and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more clever DIY projects. I'm preparing a piece of sandpaper. The goal here is to remove the outer colorful coating from each of these battery casings. I'm carefully sanding each end of the exposed metal casing. Next, I carefully remove the red plastic covers from each of the sanded metal pieces. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll repeat this process for all 4 of the battery casings, ensuring they are all evenly sanded and free from any remaining coating. We only need the pure metal components for this project, as they will serve as the antennae elements. I'm going to use scissors to cut the metal casing of the batteries into strips. We need these metal pieces because they will act as the conductive elements of our antenna, capturing those elusive TV signals. Be careful when cutting to ensure you get clean strips. Next, I'm taking a large syringe. I'll be using this as a temporary guide to arrange my rectangular colored pieces. I'm taping them around the barrel of the syringe, making sure they are evenly spaced. This helps to create a uniform, circular arrangement, which is visually appealing and functional for the final structure. Once they are all taped into place, I remove the syringe, leaving me with a neat band of colored strips. Now, taking one of the prepared silver battery cores, I'm marking a specific point on its flat surface with a marker. This is where I'll be drilling a hole. The precise placement of this hole is important for aligning our antenna components correctly. I'll use a drill to create a clean hole, making sure not to deform the metal casing. I will repeat the drilling process for all 4 of the metal battery cores. Then, I'm moving on to my PVC pipe. I'm using a ruler and a marker to accurately measure and mark several points along the pipe. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Just like with the metal casings, I'm drilling holes into the PVC pipe at each of the marked locations. These holes will be where we insert screws to securely attach the metal casing pieces, forming the structural basis of our antenna. Here, I'm taking small screws and nuts to begin assembling the structure. I carefully attach one of the cut PVC pieces to a sanded battery core, using a screw and nut to secure it firmly. This connection needs to be tight to ensure good electrical contact and mechanical stability. I'm using pliers to carefully tighten each screw. This extra step ensures maximum stability and conductivity between the metal blades and the pipe, which is essential for effective signal capture. I repeat this for all 4 battery cores, attaching them to their respective PVC sections. I assemble the 4 prepared pieces onto the main PVC pipe. The screws go through the drilled holes, securing the entire structure. This creates the basic framework for our antenna. I'm taking some fine wire and connecting all the red plastic pieces in a circuit around the pipe. This wiring is crucial as it creates a pathway for the electrical signals to flow efficiently. I'm now using pliers to carefully bend and secure thin wires to connect all the metal casing pieces together. This creates a continuous conductive path, allowing the captured signals to travel through the antenna structure. I'm taking a magnet core, which is essential for creating an inductor. I'm wrapping an orange insulated wire tightly around the magnet core multiple times. I'm securing the wound wire with hot glue to keep everything tidy and robust. I continue wrapping until I have a dense coil, ensuring the turns are close together and uniform. This forms a coil that will act as a balun, helping to match the impedance of the antenna to the transmission line. Once wrapped, I secure the ends of the wire with a bit of hot glue to prevent unraveling. I'm stripping the ends of the coiled wire to prepare them for connection. Then, I attach this coiled wire component to the main PVC assembly, making sure it's centrally located. I use a hot glue gun to firmly secure the coiled wire component to the PVC pipe. The stripped ends of the coiled wire are then connected to the metal wires on the PVC assembly, establishing the electrical pathway for our signal. I used pliers to twist the wires around the PVC base to secure the wires securely. To power our device, I'm preparing a standard USB cable. I'm stripping the outer insulation to expose the inner wires and then attaching small alligator clips to the power lines. These clips will provide a flexible and easy way to connect our antenna booster to a power source. I'm now connecting the alligator clips from the USB cable to the exposed wires of the antenna booster. The USB cable is then plugged into the charger, preparing our antenna for action. First, I use the TV remote to show how poor the signal is without the antenna, highlighting the problem we're solving. You can see the "no signal" message on the screen. Then, I connect our DIY antenna to the TV's antenna input. With everything connected, I'm plugging the USB cable into a power strip and then attaching the other end to our antenna. I plug it in, and immediately, the TV signal improves dramatically. Look at that crystal clear channels. Our homemade antenna is working perfectly, pulling in channels with excellent clarity. This simple setup truly boosts the signal, providing a much better viewing experience. I'm flipping through multiple channels to demonstrate the consistent improvement across the board. This just goes to show what you can achieve with a little creativity and some basic materials. It's incredibly satisfying to see it work so well. The signal is strong and stable, proving the effectiveness of our design. If you've been struggling with weak TV signals, this DIY antenna could be your perfect solution. It's easy to make and costs next to nothing. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting DIY projects. Your support means a lot to me. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.